in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in central Maryland, eastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Countryside, or near Poolsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Montgomery County in central Maryland, eastern Loudoun County in northern Virginia, northeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Countryside, or near Poolsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters have reported quarter-size and larger hail near Leesburg. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Germantown, Rockville, Bethesda, Gaithersburg, Olney, Lowe's Island, Aspen Hill, Potomac, North Bethesda, Montgomery Village, North Potomac, Redmond, Great Falls, Colesville, Camp Mill, Countryside, Chevy Chase, North Kensington, South Kensington, and Forest Glen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Highs in the upper 80s. Temperatures steady or slowly falling through late afternoon. And the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the west central city of Alexandria in northern Virginia until 7 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., the National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County in northern At 3:55, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Summer fruit at Whole Foods,
as well as rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar.
safety alert, safety alert.
Highways, streets, and underpasses.
Economic development and
locations that will experience flash flooding include Alexandria, Annandale, Springfield, Groveton, Fort Belvoir, Burke, Lincolnia, Lorton, Franconia, Newington, I-395, and Change, West Springfield, Mount Vernon, Fairfax Station, North Springfield, Hayfield, Robbinsworth. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately.
All over again to let everybody on the emergency alert system know about it.
We interrupt this program to bring you an emergency alert system for the Washington, D.C. metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency.
There is a flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County and west central Alexandria City until 7 o'clock tonight. Doppler radar shows thunderstorms producing very heavy rain across the warned area. Between half an inch and an inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate 1.5 to 2.5 inches in in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Once again, flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County, west central Alexandria City until 7 o'clock. This is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Once again, flash flood warning for southeastern Fairfax County, west central Alexandria City until 7 o'clock.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, southeastern Montgomery County in central Maryland, northeastern Georgia County in central Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairland, or near Beltsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Bowie, Severn, Olney, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Aspen Hill, Severna Park, Onotoc, Laurel, Fairland, White Oak, Ferndale, Adelphi, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Elk Ridge, Baltimore Washington Airport, Glen Burnie, Aspen Hill, Severna Park, Onotoc, Laurel, White Oak, Ferndale, Adelphi, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia, until 7:15 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicating thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. The service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for east central Fairfax County in northern Virginia, the city of Alexandria in northern Virginia. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 inch are possible in the Warren area. Heated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1.5 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Arlington, Alexandria, Fort Washington, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Huntington, Fort Belvoir, Laconia, Franconia, Hyba Valley, Mount Vernon, Hayfield, Jefferson Manor. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Basement flooding can occur quickly and create a life-threatening situation. If you are in a basement or a residence below street level, move to a higher floor immediately.
He maintained an
issued a flash flood warning for East Central Fairfax County and the city of Alexandria until 7:15 tonight. At 4:10, Doppler radar showed thunderstorms producing very heavy rain between half of an inch and an inch of
The room is metal walls. It's like
in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of half an inch to an inch are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Remember, turn around, don't drown. Flash flood warning for East Central Fairfax County and the city of Alexandria till 7:15.
And of course, this is on top of